Okay, here, hi everyone. Last time, I hope you remember, I gave you this list to write. All of you wrote very badly. Very badly. No, it was not at all a good paragraph that you wrote. I gave you so many words. What you did, you are writing, okay, let me take this word, and then, okay, let me take this word, and then this word, and then it does not go like that. It does not go like that. And someone called me and told me, ma'am, I cannot write so many words, 36 words. I cannot write. Very good. Don't write. I am going to do the same thing today. Please listen carefully. We are going to describe a person. Let us say we are going to describe the sweeper. The sweeper who comes to sweep in our colonies. Okay? Now, we have the list over here. Let us take the words that describe the sweeper. First, we will make the list of words that describe that sweeper. Let me say, for example, he is quite chatty. Chatty means he talks a lot. Okay, I am going from this list only. He is easygoing. 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 Okay. Next, he is neat. He is neat. Neat and clean. Okay. Next, we can call him polite. Okay, let's come to this. Hardworking. He is a hardworking person. Okay. Popular. Everyone knows him. Okay. Tidy, neat and tidy, it's the same thing. Neat and clean and tidy, it's the same thing. Okay, let's come here. You can call him moody. Yes. Nice. He's a nice person. Smart. Okay, how many words? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I have got 10 words. Now I keep this paper away. I am supposed to write about the sweeper that is there in our colony. I have selected all the words. First thing that I did is to select all the words. So I will not be confused. I don't have this paper anymore with me. I have put it away. I will not be confused. Now next is I am going to decide which words I am going to use first, second, third, fourth. Okay. Now neat and clean and tidy, it's one word or one thing. Okay. Polite, nice, smart. Okay, I think I will take nice first. He's a nice person. Number 2, easygoing. Number 3, he's neat and clean. Number 4, I can take he is very hardworking. Number 5 I can take, he is polite. Number 6, he also looks smart. Number 7, he is popular. Number 8, he is chatty. 9, he is moody. Yeah, neat and clean. I have neat and clean can be 2. Now I have got my list. How I am going to, which words I am going to use first, second, third, fourth. Let's do 1. My first word that I will use, 1, 2, 3, 4. Where is 5? 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This is the order in which I am going to use these words in my paragraph of 60 words. 60 words, not more than that. Okay. Now give the person name. You have a name. He will also have a name. And don't give those silly names. You do so much of reading. Pick up a good name. Okay. Johnson is our is our sweeper in our colony here in Delhi. Okay. Now, first, which one I'm going to? Okay. Forget, we have used Johnson. Now, he seems to be nice. Nice is over. Now, next, nice and Anne, because E is there. An easy going person. Okay. The easy going person means he's quite friendly. Okay. 2 is also over. Now 3. He dresses up neat and clean. So he looks tidy always. Neat and clean and tidy is also over. Now, 4th. 4th is hardworking and 5th is polite. Okay. He works very hard and is polite with everyone. Okay. Polite is gone. Hardworking is gone. Now, 7 is popular and chatty. He is popular in our society. Okay. He is very chatty and chats with children. Okay, chatty is over, hardworking, popular is over. Now we are left with only one word, and that is moody. Sometimes he is moody, but still we all are fond of him. Fond of him means we all like him. Finished. All my words are over and my word limit. Let me join 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 62, 64, 65, 66. Okay, it is maximum 66. Finished. 60 words, 66. Fine. Do it like this. It is very easy. How much time did I take? Not even 10 minutes to do this. Not even 10 minutes. And when you read, somebody reads, he says, oh, Johnson is a sweeper in a colony in Delhi. He seems to be nice and easygoing. Words to describe Johnson: nice and easygoing. He dresses up neat and clean. 2. He looks tired.